Hey guys, it's Bob with Paler's Aquatics back, and I'm avoiding editing a video that I made last night by playing with the tanks. And we had such a time that Dharma, the Fahaka, didn't eat, and she's doing pretty good now. She right now likes, I'll get her in the frame, it'll help a lot. She likes jumbo bloodworms, and I don't have any in what I'm putting in here right now, but she will. She see how she's going around and picking various things. She also loves her ram's horn snails. So I've just put a little frozen mixture in here, but it does not have the large bloodworms in it. And hopefully she'll come back around. If not, I'll stop this so that you don't have to wait for her. I'll be right back. Okay, it's only about 5 minutes later, and she thinks I'm over at the tank next door feeding it. So we're going to get a little footage of her. Unfortunately, the tank hasn't been cleaned in a week or so and has some algae on the inside, but she hasn't been in a video, not a good video, in a couple of months, so just thought I would share. She has a big following and lots of fans. This girl could have her own channel. But she's picking up the regular bloodworms there, but you can see the little things there. I don't want to get in too close because it will end our session. Despite her not eating for those few weeks, she has continued to grow. She didn't get thin. She has a very healthy appetite now. She's a gorgeous fish. Her size, I need to put a, like one of those cloth tape measures against the side there, the old-timey kind, and she will go a good 10 inches now. A good 10 inches. I'm going to pause it a second so we can see her when she comes out. Yeah, there we go. The colors are just really vibrant today. I think she's tired of picking up those small worms. I may go ahead and get some snails in here. Alright. I think she's finished. Thanks guys, appreciate you watching Miss Dharma.